These are one of the best sneakers, in my opinion, that you can buy right now for under $1,000. This sneaker was very, very limited, very tough to get your hands on. If you did get your hands on this sneaker for retail, you might as well go play the lottery. That was the chance of you actually getting this shoe for retail. This sneaker was backdoored, allegedly. We'll see. Let's get into it. I got this sneaker from GOAT. You guys can pick these up if you want to for under $1,000. Maybe, if you're lucky, place a bid. That's what I did, and it got accepted. So I got them for under $1,000. I recommend placing the bid. If you hit buy it now, you're going to be spending over $1,000 on this sneaker. But if you place the bid, there's a good chance it'll be accepted because allegedly of backdooring going on by the team. Let's get into this pair of sneakers. In my opinion, the best shoe you guys can buy right now for under $1,000. While the sneaker market is down, yes, I am still out here spending crazy money on shoes. Not as much as I was, but I still am. So if you know, you know. I'm now on Whatnot, which is crazy. I've been winning some auctions on Whatnot as well. I gotta stay off Whatnot. It's absolutely wild. I gotta get off that app before I go broke. But right here, I got these from GOAT. I'm having a tough time opening up this box. Let's open these up. Finally, get this tape off. There we go. And we have to get into these. Now, these are fire. Fire, fire. And I'm gonna talk about the controversy about this shoe. There is some controversy going on regarding this release, this sneaker, but in my opinion, it's the best shoe you guys can buy for under $1,000. It's easily the best shoe, and I'm gonna get into why, in my opinion. We do have the box right here. Ooh, here we go. Let's take this big box out, nice and heavy. Not sure if you guys know what these are yet. If you do know, leave a comment, let me know. I'm not sure. The box is the same as the other one, so you guys might have an idea. But here we go. We got the Jack. We got the Jumpman. Jack. Boom. And we have the label. I did get a size 11 in these. Now, these are not the pair that released to the public. No, sir. These did not. Yes, apparently there was a raffle on Travis Scott's website. But I'm going to tell you guys right now, there's only a handful of emails that went out, and most of them couldn't even really check out. So, that's that. That was the release. Website only, which means you gotta go to GOAT, you gotta go to StockX, you gotta go to the apps to pick them up if you really want them that bad because you had no chance at retail. That was the honest truth, and here they are. Let's get into them. We have the dust bag. And like I said, in my opinion, yes, they are expensive, but I do think they are worth it at the end of the day. And allegedly, Travis's team was backdooring like crazy on GOAT directly. I'll say this. This is what happened. I placed the order, and about a half hour later, the shoes were verified and on the way to me. Okay? So, that's what happened. The order got accepted, my bid got accepted, and then about a half hour later, they were already at GOAT. And tracking was sent to me about an hour, 2 hours later after that. Okay? So GOAT had the shoe already. That's all I'm going to say. GOAT had the shoe already. So yeah, guys, these are the Travis Scott Jumpman Jacks, the University Red colorway. Kanye West. I cannot believe it. Kanye wore them. Yes, he did. In an advertisement. Let's take the other one out. They're all individually all wrapped up here. Nice, beautiful dust bag, by the way. The bag is very high quality, fire. You do have some nice little aglets there. And the Jumpman Jack logo. Very, very nice with the bag. Now, Kanye wore these. Oh, this is really wrapped up. They're really wrapped up. I didn't realize how wrapped they were. Okay, so this is completely wrapped up, as you guys can see. Let's take them out. Now, there is a sticker here that says the Jack graphic will wear off with use over time. So there's a sticker that tells you that right there. So you do have to peel this off in order to get into the shoe. So let's go ahead and do that. And I'm going to tell you guys about Kanye a little bit more. We got to talk about it. We have to. we have to, and here they are. The Travis Scott Jumpman Jack University Red. Oh, man, with the extra laces as well. Oh, you get red, you get the black and the white, and then you got the cream. This one just, like, fell off, but that's okay. These are wild. These are very nice, man. I like them a lot. Do I like them more than the Mocha? I think so. I like both. I love both. I think both are fire. I love the model. I think Travis did a great job. It is his first own shoe, and it reminds me a lot, I'm going to say it, of the Yeezy 2. The strap, you got the midsole. It reminds me a lot of the Yeezy 2. So I'm a huge fan of these. I really am. Now, Kanye. Man, he wore them for an advertisement, commercial, all that, for Travis for promoting the shoe, right? So we all know Kanye is not with Nike. He had big problems with Nike. He's with Adidas. Now he's having problems with Adidas. So he's on his own. So what's going to happen? Is Kanye going back to Nike? We don't know. We'll have to wait and find out. In my opinion, I think it's going to happen. I really do. I could see it happening 100%. I think Nike realized that they screwed up. They basically shit the bed here with Kanye, and they gave a bunch to Travis. Now Kanye sees it. Nike knows they made the mistake, and boom, they can link up again. So I do think possibly we'll see. Although Kanye's been very controversial, so who knows? Who knows what's going to happen with that as far as them two, worlds colliding again, the Kanye, the Nike. Who knows if that happens? But we have the Jumpman Jacks, man. Allegedly, heavily backdoored sneaker, very limited shoe. I'll say this, if you guys go on StockX, it tells you how many pairs there are, and there's not that many. There's only a few on the apps, and this is a size 11. Last time I looked, there was like 5 or 6 pairs. That was it. There's not a lot of pairs at all, to be honest. I don't know stock numbers. I'll tell you this, it's not high. It is not high at all. This was a very, very limited shoe. Extremely limited. Extremely. Probably one of the most limited sneakers of the entire year. I don't think people realize that yet, but maybe down the line they will. But yeah, this was one of the most limited releases of the entire year, and hardest to get your hands on. That's for sure. So if you want them, you got to pay to play. I paid under $1,000, but I did pay a nice premium price to play, and I want them. They're fire. The Travis Scott Jumpman Jacks. Let me know down below in the comments if you guys did pick up a pair. If you did pick up a pair, please let me know. Let me know if you guys are paying that resale price. Let me know, are these a cop? Are they a drop? They do fit true to size, and I really like them a lot. I do. I think they're a great shoe. Where is the Mocha pair? The Mocha pair I do have somewhere. There they are. The Mochas are over there. So let me grab the Mochas real quick, and let's compare the two. I want to show you guys both. Let's get the other ones. Let's grab them. I'm going to do this unedited. Let me show you guys the Mochas right here. So let's go ahead and grab them. Here they are. We got the University Red, the more limited pair, and then we have the OG Mocha pair. So this is the technically the first one to release. And then right here, boom. Boom, I got both. Both are fire. Both are clean. I like both a lot. I love both. I think Travis is doing a great job. I truly do. And I'm excited for more colorways of the Jumpman Jack. Fire. Absolutely fire. Crazy. Very, very nice. I'm ecstatic to have both. Paid resale on both, but it is what it is. Hopefully in the future I can grab a Jumpman Jack for retail, because I have hit some Jordan 1s for retail. The Canary Yellows, the Fragment Lows. So I have had some Travis success, as well as the 4s. Hit those for retail when those drop. So yeah, I'm excited, man. These are very, very dope. Very, very clean. Very happy to have them. And in my opinion, the best shoe for under $1,000 right now in 2024. Let me know what you guys think about the Jumpman Jack Travis Scott down below in the comments. Pick one. Pick one. Pick one. I can't. I don't know if I can. I like both so much. I don't know if I can pick one. I don't know. Both are fire to me. The one thing that does suck is that the Jumpman Jack logos are going to disappear on the bottom. That does suck, but very, very clean nonetheless. I love these a lot. You got the cream. You got the nice white tumbled leather. The red University Red swoosh. Ooh, and that, soft nubuck there. The white laces, the strap. These are just so nice, man. So nice. You got the Jumpman logo there on the tongue. And then on the inside, nice crazy details as well with the insole on the back. Jumpman And Jack. Very, very nice. Very nice. Very nice. You got Jack on the bottom. I like these so much, the Jumpman Jacks, man. I really do. Huge fan. True to size. And they're definitely a must cop. For under $1,000, definitely a straight fire shoe. Let me know what you guys think. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never going to stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.